A modern IKEA dining room has ready-to-assemble furniture that are both durable and customizable. IKEA offers a lot of different variations on its furniture, with numerous colors, designs, and styles. With so many options, it can be hard to pick out the perfect dining room ideas from IKEA. Here are some tips to figure out the perfect IKEA dining room design. 1. Spending quality time made easy. Quality time dinners feel like a breeze in this dining room, but it doesn't end there. There's room for both fun and play too, and smart storage solutions solve the family's storage needs. 2. A hip, modern dining space for first-time flatmates. When it comes to shared dining spaces, keep an open mind. Open storage shelves, rollable trolleys, and lightweight furniture make it easy to grab what you need, clean up, and bring the party wherever it happens. 3. Where friendships are formed. This one is perfect for those of you who have just moved to an apartment and have a small dining room. With this table set, you can chat with friends comfortably. 4. A table with hidden potential. Having a minimalist and elegant dining room, even in a very narrow space, is everyone's dream. This is one example of a minimalist dining room. 5. A table that rises to the occasion. If we have a narrow room, then we must be able to optimize the function of the furniture. Choosing multifunctional furniture can be an option. 6. Harmonious, small space living. This is perfect for those of you who want to have a minimalist dining room and have all the necessary functions. I love it. 7. The comfortable way to get together. The combination of blue and white is very harmonious and pleasing to the eye, and the lamp design is very beautiful. 8. The beauty is in the details. This dining room has a very beautiful and elegant design, with minimalist furniture that complements it. 9. For food, fun, and everything in between. This dining room has a bright and cheerful theme. The combination of a dining table and a storage area is perfect. 10. Beauty in the basics. We all start somewhere. You don't need many things to create a beautiful living space that suits your style. Grab a couple of cabinets for storage, a sofa bed for sleeping, and a bar table that can double as your workspace and dining area. 11. A dining room for designers. This modern dining room might look modest, but it's far from being just black and white. Read in between the lines and you'll find design icons that are comfortable to spend hours around the table. 12. A dining space where you can eat and grow. The best tasting food is the food you've grown together. Eat what you grow straight from the kitchen in this nature-friendly dining area. 13. Make dinner a daily pleasure. This is a blend of interior colors and furniture that is very suitable and elegant. I really like this one. 14. Earthy shades and a sustainability-focused dining space. A dining room that reflects your personal style, combined with storage that's close at hand, will probably make you want to sit and socialize here for hours. 15. A fashionable atmosphere. Dive into an affordable dining room that's luxurious in more than one way. Modern lighting, stylish storage, and an extendable table, like Vangsta, will impress both you and your dinner guests.